Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are an old subscriber, welcome. Thank you for coming along this journey with me. So guys, today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I went from this and this to this and to this. Like, who doesn't want to look flawless on camera, guys? I'm just sitting down right here with no edits or whatever, with no flashlight, with no fancy camera at all, just like my phone camera and good old sunlight. So guys, when I review the thing that I use on my face that has made me like get clear skin as I have right now, you are going to be surprised because it's just like everyday things that we know of. Stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome back. That I use basically on my face, this 2006 facial cleanser, and then I use this Tura soap. I know you're surprised, I know. And Tura, basically what I do in the morning is when I wake up, I like to cleanse my face with just a normal cotton wood swab or whatever. I usually like cleanse my face because when I wake up I have like really oily skin on my T-zone, so I have to cleanse my face first. So like, this is just like, guys, this is what I normally do every day. I try to do it every day, but guys, it's not, I do not do it religiously every day, but I try to do it. So guys, I just go over my face, cleanse my face to take away every oil and all the oil from waking up and all that. I really do this. After I cleanse my face, guys, do not forget to cleanse your neck also. After I cleanse my face, I like to go exercise. So I'm ready when like I'm back exercising with like all the sweat and the smelly mushy stuff. Time for me to bathe. I actually wet my face and then I apply the Tura soap. I apply this, guys, you can see I've gone through this. This is like almost finished. All I have to do is to wet my face. I wet my face with this and try to massage it into my face. Like, I like to massage my face with it for like up to like from 3 to 5 minutes. So guys, let me give you guys a quick story. Like, as I'm massaging, let me give you a quick story about how I got to discover Tura soap. I know everybody knows about Tura soap. I have been hearing of Tura soap. Like, I've known Tura soap since when like I was a kid. My mom uses Tura soap. Like, I was even wondering and asking my mom like, how come she doesn't have like all this acne and dark spots like I used to have. Like, come on, she's old and I'm young. I'm supposed to have like really flawless skin compared to her. Like, she uses Tura soap, like, and I didn't even know like that this was like the reason why she has flawless skin. So guys, I was like breaking out. What causes pore for me is like when I'm breaking out, almost like on my period, or when I'm ovulating, I begin to have like pimple, and when I begin to have pimple, I begin to pop it. When I begin to pop it, leads to dark spots. So like, my face was really very rough that period. I went to like a normal beauty store, like where I get my toiletries and all that. I went to the store to get this facial cleanser because this is what I usually use. This works also, guys, but this takes longer to work compared to this. This works in like within 3 days, guys. Within 3 days when I started using this, I started seeing mad results. So I went to the beauty store to ask for the 2006 facial cleanser, and then the girl I met in the store told me like it wasn't available. So guys, I had to, why don't I try Tura soap? I was like, Tura soap, why? Like, what's the connection between Tura soap and clearing dark spots and all that? And she was like, well, like, her mom uses it, and she was mentioning other people around that I know that has like clear skin that uses it. I was like, okay, pack. I think a pack was like three in it, like 1, 2, 3, and the pack was like 500 or 450 there. But so guys, it's very affordable. I started using it. I was like, in 3 days, guys, in 3 days, I'm not kidding, guys, I started seeing mad results. I even had to go back to tell her thank you for introducing this to me. So guys, this is really, I thought to share it with you, guys. This is really affordable compared to all this like organic cream that I've gone through. Like, I could like spend money over 25k 30k to buy something that doesn't even work, or that could damage our skin like in the long run. This has always been here. Like, this, guys, this is the truth, guys. Like, this is what I legit use. And then after I like wash off my face, after I wash off my face, I like to use this Tura on my, like, it like brightens up my face. It brightens up my face and I give it the glow that I need. and that is all I do on my face. Guys, after scrubbing it being like massaging it into my face, I like to wash it off, and then after off I use a face towel. It's highly advisable for you all to have like a different face towel compared to what you use all over your face. So have a face towel for your face and have like a body towel for your body. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense, but and guys, this routine is for both boys and girls. And guys, let me tell you the truth, use sunscreen. My sunscreen is kind of far from me. I would have shown you all what I use, but the sunscreen is meant for only white people. Sunscreen is for everybody, light skin, dark skin, brown skin girls. Sunscreen is for everybody. So guys, do not forget to add sunscreen to your facial or your skincare routine. Please guys, do not forget to use that. And like I said, this routine is meant for boys and girls. But guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, yes, like what's going on? What are you waiting for, guys? Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, suggestion, or welcome. Let me know what has helped you combat dark spot, and let me know if you're going to be trying out this routine. So guys, for now, bye.